Evo Scanning Electron Microscope, 10 highlights in 90 seconds. Examine samples down to the nanoscale to reveal greater detail in routine inspection and failure analysis. Enable success even for novice users through intuitive imaging controls and easy navigation. Detect elemental contrast and chemical composition to thoroughly understand your samples. Investigate entire workpieces thanks to the large chamber and heavy load stage. Accelerate large area imaging with automatic adjustment of focus, brightness, and contrast. View non-conductive samples without the need for coating or other preparation methods. Expand your inspection with automated particle analysis to determine sources of contamination. Use automation to measure small feature and generate measurement reports. Segment complex micrographs efficiently using machine learning algorithms. Enable correlative workflows to separate imaging from post-acquisition analyses.